Alright, so have you all seen a software capable of sending each and every of your emails directly into the inbox folder of your recipient? Find no other software than Selzy. Now look at those two being the perfect email marketing tool for small businesses who want to acquire new audiences, build up a solid email list, and send hundreds of their emails directly into the inbox folder of their recipients. Now first things first, what is Selzy? So Selzy is an email marketing software designed to help businesses streamline their email campaigns. It offers a range of features from email automation to list management, all in an easy to use interface. Now looking at every of the email feature they have here, from the AI email builder, the AI email assistant, which helps you to create high converting email copies. Now they also have the bulk email sender to help you reach out to thousands of your subscribers all at once with a single campaign. Email automation as well, and you can see that this got the email analytics as well, and you can also do things like A/B testing to help you discover what really works for your customer. And guys, many more amazing features like this is what you get to enjoy on Selzy. Now quickly, let's dive deep into the software, and this is one quick setup I need you to know how to do on Selzy, which is the ability for you to create an opt-in form for collecting email addresses and other vital information of anyone who might be interested in joining your email list. So right here you can see I have access to my personal account gotten for the sake of this video, and right here is where we have the two section, and we can see under it here is you can see that we have few other features, but I need you to click on this one right here, which is the subscription forms. Now once you've been able to click on that, you can go ahead and click on create form. Now you want to go ahead and give your form a name, and right here I'm going to input something all good, and you can see that we have the small drag and drop page created for us. Now it's very easy for you to set up these to your preference by just doing drag and drop, and which is something that a lot of you can do all by yourself. So the necessary things you might be needing is what you want to drag and drop into this very place here. So just like the title block where I can have some name imputed to give this a good look, I can also add things like another box to collect names and phone contact addresses. All right, and remember, all of this I'm doing is to help you guys see how to use the Selzy tool to create the perfect opt-in form for your business. And finally, you can do one final touch here by adding an image just like this for an example. So if you actually want to go ahead and create an opt-in form, you can use the Selzy software to create an opt-in form, where all you have to do is just drag and drop every element that you need get being displayed on your opt-in form. And that's it, guys. Once you've been able to do everything that you need to do, drag and drop, editing, adding your pictures and every other thing, you can see that you will be having a subscription form ready just like mine. So now the other thing is this: what if I have an audience list on a different email marketing tool? So let's say that I have been able to accumulate my audience in a different email marketing tool. Can I still import them into Selzy? And the answer is this: yes, you can do that. It is all possible here on the Selzy software. So what you need to do right now is you want to go ahead and click on that, because I'm going to show you how to go ahead and import your own list into Selzy. Now you want to go over to your dashboard, and you can see right here on the dashboard, you can see this very icon that says import contact. Go ahead and click on that, and right there you can see that we have the liberty to just do drag and drop our email list. So let's say you have your email list on your computer, you can go ahead and drag and drop it into right here, or we can just go ahead and click on upload file to have access to our device, where we can then choose the file having our email list, and that's all. So once you've been able to find your email list, all you need to do is you click on import, and automatically this software would help you import all the contact addresses of your subscribers. And that's all for me right here. I've got a few email addresses already imported into my Selzy account just for the purpose of this video. Very easy and very simple. Now, how do you use Selzy to start sending your bulk emails? So remember, we've been able to cover the aspect of you building up an opt-in form to collect email addresses, and also for you to go ahead and import your own existing subscribers into Selzy. Once you've been able to get all of this contact already imported into your account, now you should learn how to use the Selzy tool to start sending bulk emails. Now you want to come over right here to your dashboard, and you can see here where it says create campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Now I need you to follow me closely, because every steps I take here, it is very important for you to do the same. You can see that we have the option right here to choose from the version type we want to use. So because Selzy is constantly making sure that its users have the best experience using the tool, so let's go ahead and go with the new version, because I actually want to see what the new version looks like. And so you can see that we have it, guys. You can see that this is actually what the new version of the Selzy campaign tab looks like, and you can see that we have a lot of templates where you can choose from. Okay, so the email types you want to send, you can find out a lot of templates that you can choose from. So depending on your choice and what the aim of your email campaign is, you can find something that can stand as a template for you right here on Selzy. And the good part is that we can still by ourselves go ahead and create something from scratch if we want to do that. So if you want to do all the work by creating it from scratch yourself, you can go ahead and do that, because it is actually recommended. For me, I recommend that, and one of the best way. But for me, and just because I'm quite lazy right here on this video, I'm going to go ahead and just pick one template from the Selzy account. So many templates are right here, but I think I like this one. So just like this one here, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And once I've been able to select this, I can still go ahead and do some other basic editing to suit this to my preference. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around with these, okay? And you can see that I've been able to get my email campaign perfectly okay for sending. So once you've been able to choose a template, you can go ahead and edit it still to your preference to get the result you want for yourself. Now, once done, we can go ahead and click the continue button to proceed. And you can see here where we have the sender name. Now, guys, listen, all you need to do right now is to put in the sender name you want people to see once you start sending your email campaigns. And as well, you can do something more personalizing by adding your subscriber name to the email to make it more personalized. So let's say you want to reach out to me, you can do well to add my own name, so that once the email is coming in, I'm going to be seeing my name. So it means that you are talking to me personally. All right, so once done, you can see, go ahead and click on continue. And right here, you see that my email list here will be receiving the emails automatically. And if you want to go ahead and add in some new subscribers, you can do that by clicking on import. Then go ahead and upload your new email subscribers. So I'm going to click continue, and then we are ready to send our campaign live. Now, that's actually what you need to do to start sending out your campaigns here on Selzy. This video is dedicated, make it a very, very easy one for you to use the Selzy tool to not only grow your email list, but also manage your campaigns. And as well, if you choose to go with a text email, you can go ahead and send a text email by adding some emails right here. So if you want to test out the campaigns and you want to see how it's going to look in the inbox folder of your recipients, then I'll recommend you go with a test email feature. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm putting some some emails right here. Okay, so these are the emails that I'll be receiving my text campaign or my test email. Okay, so once I've been able to do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Okay, you can see. So now once I've been able to send all of this, now I'm going to go now to my own email address to see if I got the mail from my Selzy account. And you can see for the first email address here, you can see that yes, we have the email. Yes, you can see that we got the email from Selzy directly into the inbox folder, all right, without any issues whatsoever. So this email is not going to the spam folder, rather it is going directly into my inbox folder. So tell me, what other thing can you be thinking of apart from you using the Selzy tool to streamline your email campaigns? Now, coming over to the second browser, you can see that for yourself, you can see that we have also this one landed in the inbox folder. You can see everything working fine and smooth. My emails land directly into my inbox folder, and that is one of the best things that you can ever have when you start sending out campaigns. So guys, you just saw how the emails landed into the inbox folder of our recipient. So with Selzy, you are sure to be having your emails go directly into the inbox folder of your recipient. So don't miss out from any of those amazing features that Selzy has to offer you. So click the link in the video description box below to get yourself a plan on Selzy. And I can tell you honestly that Selzy has the cheapest plans that you can think of at this current time. One of the pricing plans is just costing $7.5 per month to manage over 100 email subscribers. For $60 here, you can manage over 10,000 email subscribers, and as high as 75,000 email subscribers, you get to pay only $300 per month, compared to some other marketing platforms that will charge you more than $1,000 per month for these. And also you can decide to buy some other amazing features of this tool to your package, like email verification and more like that. So friends, check out their pricing plans and pick which of the pricing plans basically suit you and suit your business. And finally guys, other tools can be integrated with Selzy. So take a look at this. We've got quite a number of software that can be used with Selzy to help you with your marketing journey. So go ahead and check out which of the other tools you might want to integrate into your Selzy account. So with all this being said, you get to see why people out there are praising Selzy and how those two has been able to actually come out as one of the best email marketing tool that you can use for your business. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you found value watching this video where I showed you guys how to use the Selzy account to build an email list and also how to start managing your campaigns directly from your dashboard. Very easy and very simple. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye.